In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your old Tally to Tally version 2. Go to Content, go to My Content, and look for any classic Tally versions. So I have one here. Go over under the Actions column, click on Actions, and click on Upgrade to Tally version 2. This will happen in just a second. You'll see a pop-up that says Start Upgrade. And there it is, the upgrade is complete. If I go back to my content, you'll notice it makes a copy of it in the new version, but it does keep the old version. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know. Until the next time, hope you always find unique ways to make your training more engaging. Take care.